In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete project in Ssemble. If you've got a project you no longer need or you want to tidy up your workspace, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and confidently. I'll keep it simple, clear, and to the point while giving you a few helpful tips so you don't accidentally delete the wrong thing. First, log into Ssemble. Open your browser, head to the Ssemble website, and sign in with your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. It's always a good idea to confirm you're using the account where the project actually lives, especially if you manage multiple teams or personal and professional projects separately. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see your project on the bottom. This area typically displays your recent or saved projects as visual thumbnails, so it's easy to recognize them by their titles and preview images. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all thumbnails appear. If you have a lot of work saved, you may need to scroll down to see everything. Now look for your project. Scan the thumbnails carefully and double-check the project name and preview. If multiple versions of a project exist, glance at the last edited time shown near the thumbnail to make sure you're selecting the correct one. This quick pause can save you from deleting something you still need. When you've located the right project, move your cursor over its thumbnail. Then click on the trash bin icon on the lower right corner of the thumbnail. That icon is the delete action. Click it deliberately and avoid clicking the main thumbnail itself, which would open the project instead of removing it. Depending on your account and current settings, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete. If that appears, review the project name one more time and confirm the deletion only when you're certain. A few quick tips before you finish up. If this project contains assets or edits you might reuse later, consider exporting the final video or saving key media elsewhere before you delete. Deleting is often permanent and may not be reversible, so having a backup can be a lifesaver. And that's it. You logged in, went to your dashboard, found your project at the bottom, and clicked the trash bin on the thumbnail's lower right corner to remove it. With those simple actions, your Ssemble workspace stays clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next